So now let's see how we can work around with Array Modifier inside of Blender. So in order to work around with Array Modifier, I'm going to press Shift A on my keyboard, and then over here I'm going to select Mesh, and let's go around and select Torus. You can do this with any of the objects that you want. In my case, I'm going to just take this Torus right here. So now in order to add in the Array Modifier, I'm going to go around over here onto the Modifier properties, and then I'm going to go to Add Modifier, and then I'm going to select Array just like this. So this is the count, as you can see right here. So I can go around, and if I were to type in 10, then you can see that there's 10 of these items right here. So you can go around and click and drag to increase and decrease the count as well. So I'm just going to type in 10 right there. So now the other thing is factor. So you can go around and increase out the factor right here, like 1.1. to manage out the spacing as well. So you can go around and then change the y-axis, x-axis according to how you want, which is what I'm going to keep as 0 for now. So I'm just going to go around and type in 1.4 right here, or maybe 1.5 to maintain half of the spacing right here. So this is the array right here. And another thing that you can do is you can go around with constant offset right here and so forth, and work around with different options as well. But now what I want to do is I want to add in an array from the other side as well. So in order to do that, I can add in another modifier on top of this. So I'm going to go to Add Modifier, add another array, and you can see that there's 2 extra arrays right here. But I want this to happen not in the x-axis right here, but I want it to happen on the y-axis. So I'm going to press 1.5 right here, and you can see that now it's on the y-axis right here. So 1.5 right there. You can go around and type in the count. So let me just type in 10, and this is how it works, as you can see right here. So this is what I have. You can see this. You got the torus right here, which is duplicated out 10 by 10. So there's 100 of them right here. And that is how you can work around. You can work around with the z-axis right here to change this around right here. Work around with x factor right here to change around the shape. As you can see, just like that. You can go around and then work around with this however you like. So you can go around, press 0 right here, and that is how it works. And that is how you can work around with array inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.